This is video introduce about wireless CarPlay adapter, iWiner 2023 upgrade CarPlay wireless adapter dongle. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Innovative CarPlay wireless adapter. iWiner wireless CarPlay adapter provide an easy way to convert your wired CarPlay to wireless. Please make your phone forget the regular Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connection to the car before use this unit. Just plug the adapter into the jack you used to connect your phone to CarPlay. Took seconds to pair the car and phone to sync the Bluetooth connection. It will automatically activate the CarPlay wireless connection every time the car starts. Includes a USB to USB-C adapter, so it can support both USB and USB-C car port access. The CarPlay wireless adapter supports SIRI, GPS live navigation, voice control, YouTube music, phone calls, iTunes, messages and more. Work with almost all 2015 and later car models which have factory CarPlay, freeing you from model compatibility issues, also perfectly compatible with your original car controls, such as screen touch, buttons and knobs. Easy to carry with the lightweight sleek design, no need to repeatedly plug and unplug, compatible for iPhone to solve the tangle of wires and restrictions. Moreover, you don't have to worry about accidentally leaving your phone in the car when you finish a drive. Compatible with iPhone 6 and above and iOS version 10 and above. Compatible for work on VW, Mercedes, Porsche, Lincoln, Toyota, Ford, Honda, Nissan, Jeep, Kia, Hyundai models that have factory wired CarPlay. It also works for most aftermarkets. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. And important, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.